Chief.
Yes.
I am a married woman and I'm still living with my husband. I'm only here because things are really difficult for us. The situation is too bad. I couldn't bear the suffering anymore, so I decided to come out to sort for help. And then I met my friend Jane. She now told me that you can help me. Please, I need your help, sir.
Is that all you want?
Yes. She said if I spend the night with you here, that you're going to change my life. And I want to beg you, please. Can you help me without doing anything with me?
What's that your name again, please?
My name is Ajulu. But you can call me Ajo.
Actually, it's okay. I understand you, okay? All I want you to do for me is to sleep with me here tonight, okay? I won't touch you, if that's what you want.
You mean I can sleep with you here without you touching me?
Yes. I understand all you've just said to me, okay? I really do.
If he's just sleeping beside you without you touching me, then it's fine. I can do that one. Thank you so much.
It's okay, Ajo, like you rightly said. I understand everything you just said to me. I really do. Okay? I want you close to me tonight. I can be your friend if you really want me to. Okay? Can we go downstairs and have some drinks?
Okay.
Please, can I? Come on.
The greedy heart will never know all that glitters is not gold. Precious things, you take them for granted, 'cause the grass is always greener on the other side. Oh, you don't know what you've got till it's gone. You don't know what you've got till it's gone. You think there's something better than the one you have, so you don't know what you have till it's gone, 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 gone. You don't know what you've got till it's gone.
What is wrong with Ajuluchuku? Why is this guy behaving like this? Why is he making things very difficult for me? Did anybody force Ajuluchuku to marry Onochie? I didn't train this girl to be like this, so I didn't. Since last night I've been calling this girl. She's not picking her calls. Maybe I will go back there and check if she's back. Or okay, let me try her number again.
You don't know what you've got till it's gone. You don't know what you've got till it's gone. You think there's something better than the one you have, so you don't know what you have till it's gone, gone, gone. You don't know what you've got till it's gone, till it's gone.
Ajula, please wake up. Your phone is ringing.
You never miss your water till your well runs dry, and you don't know what you got till it's gone. You don't know what you got till it's gone. You don't know what you got till it's gone.
It's morning already.
Yeah, it's morning.
Good morning, Chief.
Good morning, baby girl. How are you?
I'm fine, no. And you?
Not fine. But I'll be fine, okay? I have a meeting to attend to now. So let me hurry up. Actually, your phone has been ringing, huh? Pick up your calls.
Forget about it, Chief. I'll have to answer that call later. Chief, I hope you're not angry at me that I did not do it with you.
Actually, I understand very well, okay? I don't want to do things against your wish. Meanwhile, this is a sum of 400,000 naira for you.
What for? Wait. All this for me?
Yes, all this for you, and even more. Okay? So whenever you're ready for us to have it, just be rest assured that I will give you a brand new car.
Huh?
In a sum of 1 million naira.
Huh. Tell me you're joking, Chief. I mean, are you sure about this?
Yes, I'm sure. Okay? Married women, girls, they run to me for help. And they don't mind doing it. But the thing is, I don't like to force women to do things against their wish. So, Angelo, whenever you're ready to do this with me, okay? I will take you to my house. And like I said earlier, I'll give you the sum of 1 million naira and a brand new car.
Hey, I swear with my life, Chief, you have blown my mind. You have, oh. I would really love to do this with you, but...
Women are not meant to suffer. Okay? God created women to have fun and enjoy life. So why would you end the rest of your life with a poor man who has nothing to offer to you? Come to me. I'll give you money, cars, houses. Okay? If he chases you away, I'll be there for you. Okay? Actually, I want you to think about this. Okay? I really want you to ponder over this. Alright? Angelo, let me rush to get I have an appointment with it.
You don't have to worry. I told you people, forgive my brother for the nonsense he did. I am going to replace that money and give you people back.
Anyanwu, I have heard you. I have to think about it to know if this relationship will continue or not.
It will continue. It has not spoiled. It will continue.
It will continue.
I'm going to the farm later in the afternoon. Bring water for me. If there is food, bring also.
Okay, Papa. Papa, please. I also came again to say, please, you people should not be angry with my brother. That nonsense he did. And also help me to beg Ego. I've been trying to beg her. For her to forgive me.
Anyanwu, I have talked to her. In the first place, you two started it. So you should settle it yourselves.
Papa, but she's pregnant for me. Yes, she's pregnant. Come and look at it now. The baby is kicking.
Ego!
Anyanwu, so in your dreams, you think I'm pregnant for you?
He told me that. She told me that she's pregnant for me. Look at it now. Her stomach is breathing. The baby is kicking.
Ego, is it true?
No, Papa. Papa, I'm not pregnant. It's not true.
But that was what you told me, and I gave you money for you to be happy. So how can you tell Papa, look, come now, come close. Look at your daughter's stomach. The thing is pumping. She's breathing. The baby is breathing.
Papa, is a lie. Papa, I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
Oh, okay, you are not pregnant.
It's a lie.
I don't talk you now.
It can't be.
Listen, I am not pregnant for you.
Go where?
We are not talking. Go to
We
your
are
house.
not
I am not pregnant. I have told
talking.
you, go to your house.
You are pregnant.
I am
You told
not.
me you're pregnant.
Anyam.
You must be pregnant too. And there's baby inside.
Anyanwu.
Papa.
Ego. Let's straighten this thing.
Better. Exactly. Let's straighten it. So now let me know when I'm coming with my kinsman. When am I coming, Papa?
Ego.
What will I call this? I never trained my daughter to be this way. I swear with the God Almighty.
You don't need to swear. We all know that. We can bear you witness about that. That is why I'm so surprised at her sudden change. Oh, we are all in this village. We here. We know every one of us.
Do you know, since last night, this girl has not been picking my calls. She has never picked my calls since last night. Maybe she wants me dead.
Same here. She has not been picking my son's call. He's even tired of calling her. Right now, he's confused. He doesn't know what to do.
Please, where is your son? Let me go and beg him. Please, let me go and beg. Please.
He's not around. He has gone to the hospital to bring his father because he's going to be discharged today from the hospital.
Hi. Why is this girl doing this at this particular point in time? Why is he doing this to me? You know what? I will go and see Mama Jane. Let me visit Mama Jane and see if she's there. Though, that Jane of a girl, I don't like her. I don't even like her character.
But she didn't do anything wrong yet. She hasn't done anything because Ebele said that she didn't see them together. Yeah, that's what my son said. As soon as he comes back from the hospital, he will go to the city and look for Ajolo.
Hell, Ajolo, Wambo. Hell, Ajolo.
I am not pregnant for you, Anyanwu. Don't make me more angry.
You are pregnant, too. You are pregnant. Papa, she must give me the baby. She must give me the baby in her stomach. She's pregnant for me. Or she will tell me what happened to the child. Somebody cannot be pregnant today. Tomorrow, the person is no longer pregnant. Is it that there is abortion or there is a baby?
Anyanwu, she just told you she's not pregnant for you.
She is, oh. She is.
Ego. What I will not take from you is if you had abortion.
Papa, I did not. I did not have any abortion. When did I not have the abortion that I did not know? Papa, I only lied to him. Anyanwu, because of this thing you just did now. It's over between us. Leave my house now.
It cannot be over. You must marry me. Papa, is it that she did abortion or the baby is there? Yes. Papa, who does that? Is that she give me the child or the marriage contract? You see this, you must marry me. Else, you will see something in this company. I will show you. I will show you.
Anyanwu, you don't come here to threaten my sister. If you try it again, why you give him a fear now?
You see that film? On that film, I will off it.
Huh?
If you put that film inside that film, I will show you my baby inside her stomach. Alright.
No, don't go now. Wait, let me come.
We are bringing the baby.
No, wait.
Bring it,
Wait, I'm coming.
Bring it to my house. I must. As for you, you see that baby? Take it and go. You see.
Ego. How many times did I call you?
Jane, babes. Jane, I cannot believe this. 400,000 naira for doing nothing.
Babes, you haven't seen anything yet. Chief Dennis.
Hey!
He is very rich. He's capable.
Yes, now. I have seen.
And
And funny enough, he told me that he can buy me a car. How I wish I can do this. I just wish. I'm finding it so difficult.
you can't how? Why?
Because of Onochi. I can't hurt Onochi. I mean, he hasn't done anything bad to me. He's still a good man. But my problem in that house is that the suffering is long overdue. I couldn't hold it anymore. And the most annoying part of it is that we fight every day in that house. No peace, no money. The frustration was just too much for me. I just had to take a step.
Okay.
I just had to.
This is what you're going to do. How about you make something that will make him chase you out of the house?
Not my Onochie. Onochie loves me so much that he adores the very ground I walk on. Even if I slap him, I beat, I do anything to Onochie, he will never even touch me. Not to talk of throwing me out. He loves me that much.
Ajulu. Ajulu. Don't miss this opportunity. Look, I know how many girls that are begging me to meet Chief. You were just the special one I wanted to bring to Chief. Now you want to ruin it.
No, I can't ruin it.
Listen. Chief will get you a house. Yes. He will get you a house and then you can send for Onochie. You set him up in a business. Or better still, Chief will give him a job. How about that?
Omaka. Omaka. Mana.
Gimme. But what? You're going to do it. 400k. 1 million. 2 million. House. Forget it. 400k.
No. Anyamu. So you're like this? Okay, you have evil mind like this. Your father has been in the hospital since. You didn't bother to go and see him. All you care about is to follow woman up and down, left and right.
Mama, please, I'm not in the mood.
I don't know the wrong we did to bet you.
My friend, shut up. You cannot do anything. See, what I'm telling you is that what you are doing to my brother, another woman will do it to your brother.
You're very useless.
You are mad.
I will give you the slap.
It's okay now. It's okay. The two of you, what's all this now? You've been rendering insult on the... it's okay.
Talk to her. Talk to her because the slap I will give her will break her head to turn around.
Hey, go hit me now. If I don't design your face for me, it's okay. If I don't design your face for you, call me a foolish girl.
You're a foolish girl.
Calm down.
You're a foolish girl. Look at her. Poverty-stricken family.
What about you? You still have the mouth to talk. If not for my brother, your father will still be rotting in the police cell. Shameless daughter of a shameless man.
Did you call me shameless girl?
Did you call me shameless girl? What will you do?
Did you call me a shameless girl? Just thank God. She's the one saving you now.
Nobody's saving anybody. Leave my problem. Let me be there.
Don't worry. We will get to meet some other time and you will see a different side of me.
It's okay. I'll make free me.
Is not good. Precious things, you take them for granted. Cause the grass is always greener on the other side. You don't know what you...
I'm not in the mood for this thing now. I say, you cannot buy no Yamachuku. What's my problem now is my woman. Please, let me go after my woman and finish what is there before I focus on another thing. Your son is there with your husband. Please, nobody should worry me. I'm not in the mood now.
You don't know what you've got till it's gone. You don't know what you've got till it's gone. You never miss your water till your well runs dry. And you don't know what you've got till it's gone. Don't know what you've got till it's gone. You don't know what you've got till it's gone. You don't know what you've got till it's gone. You never miss your water till...
So you refuse to come to see me in the hospital? Sorry.
Papa, don't worry, just leave him. You can make do with just one son.
So I'm a rejected stone. I'm a rejected stone.
Don't you know before? Imaburo.
So Mama Yashan is calling me rejected stone.
Go away.
Is it alright? Is it alright? I will make it.
I want to go to Jane's mother's house. Let me collect the address. I need to go to the city.
When I will protest, they should not call me.
Please, when you see her, take it easy with her, Biko, and bring her back. Just bring her back.
I will bring her back, but you have to promise me to take very good care of Papa. Biko, I will. Don't put your trust in that loafer.
I know.
Please. Ngwano.
Madonna, what you got till it's gone. You never miss your water till your well runs dry. And you don't know what you got till it's gone. You don't know what you got till it's gone. You don't know what you got till it's gone. You never miss your water till your well runs dry. And you don't know what.
Look at you. How are you?
I am fine. Is this really you or am I seeing a ghost?
Of course, it's me. It's me. I'm not a ghost. Live and direct. Look at me.
Where are you coming from and where are you going to?
Yep. I'm just coming from my village and I'm going to see my Oga, my former Oga and his family.
Wow.
Also, how are you? How have you been?
I am fine. So you're still alive after all these years?
Of course, I'm still alive, as you can see. Live and direct. I know they must have said so many rubbish about me. Yeah, so many people would have been so disappointed about me. Well, I don't care. The fact still remains, I'm back. Very big. And I'm back to make many people happy, if not everybody.
Okay. I think they're in the house. I'm on my way home.
Okay, alright, so where's my phone? Let me have your number. Yeah. Let me have your number so that when I'm done with my Oga and his family, I'll give you a call. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, like I said before, I'm back to make so many people happy. Loaded.
Wow. I can see you've made it really big.
Oh, yeah. Not just really big. As you can see, this is one of my cars. Like the smallest. I got this car, chicken, 6 million. It's the cheapest.
Mama. And then I insulted my woman and you kept quiet and you are supporting her. You see that girl? I will deal with her in this house. You see that girl? Ebuku, come here. I will kill her.
Do not do it.
Okay.
Imam Menwiya, you will not even try it. What did she ever do to you? Don't worry, you will see what you have done to yourself. By the time you have finished yourself, you see what you have done to yourself. If you like, give your life to that girl. We shall see.
The lack of money is a source of many pains. Osika, ukubanye nego, ifunanya na, imanu biamajoka, onyo bunana chok, kaye tinye nono, tinye na pa, ijego, osika.
Let her go and come back. You'll be daughterless. Mama, you'll be daughterless today because I'm going to kill her.
You Imam Meya.
Nobody will try my woman. Anybody that insults my woman will be in shambles.
Odira.
Who am I seeing? Odira. Is this you? Yeah! Mama! Look at Odira.
Oh, Mama. Please, where's my Oga?
You're welcome. Papa! Stay there, I'm coming.
Babe, take it easy. Take it easy. Yeah. Do not tell me to take it easy. You don't understand the level of poverty that is in Onoche's house. Oh, I've suffered so much. I have. Allow me to enjoy.
But who forced you to marry him in the first place?
My sister was not forced. I saw a fine boy You know Onochie is a very fine boy. The first time he came into the village, in as much as he didn't have so much money, the boy was looking very fine. And he promised me that tomorrow will be better. But because of the love, I calmed down, hoping that tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow even got worse. And considering the fact that he's the breadwinner of the family, almost all of them were sick on top of Onochie's head. Yet he doesn't have money. And he doesn't not take care of me. Even on Nyonyafro. So it was just too much. I just had to take a step. So if you can attach chicken, wrap on more can tap because I've suffered. Okay.
Chief. My chief, God will bless.
Amen. Amen and amen and amen.
You will not remain for Onochie. Remain for Onochie.
Oh my goodness.
Let me order for some more.
Hey.
Oga, please. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm still your son. Please, sir.
Odera, do you know what you made my family to pass through? I took you like my own son. But all you did was to render my family useless all these years.
I know what I did was very wrong, sir. But please, they say you use right hand to beat your son, you use the other one to bring him back. Please, sir, I'm back now and I'm here to apologize for what I did, sir. I'm ready to pay back the money I took from you. Sir, please forgive me. Please.
Odera,
sir,
do you know what you have made me to suffer? You have rendered my family useless.
Chief, what is it?
Nedima, I am finished.
What is it?
You want me? I am finished, Nedima.
Did anyone die?
No, nobody died. But somebody's about to die now.
No, God forbid. You're not dying, I'm not dying, no one is dying. So what happened? Tell me, Chief, tell me now.
My 6 containers has been seized.
Hey! No. Stop, what are you doing? Chief, what happened?
My agent called me that the president personally demanded that my 6 containers should be seized.
Hey!
What do I do?
Chief, how come? Is there anything you're supposed to do you did not do? What did you do? What happened?
I don't know what my containers has done to the president. I don't know the bad luck I am carrying.
Hey!
I am finished. I am finished.
Chief, just calm down. Just calm down and think. Is there no one we can call when I honor the president or something? Is there? You don't know anyone?
I don't know anyone.
Okay, just calm down. Just.
Nedima.
Come on first. Come. Don't be silly. Hey, no problem. You're not finished.
No.
Nedima. Calm down. Just sit.
I am finished.
It's okay. You're not finished yet. Everything will be fine.
Chief, you have not eaten your food. At least eat something. You haven't taken anything since morning, sir.
What is it?
Madam, Chief has not eaten anything since morning. He has been like this since.
It's all right. Let me handle it from here, right? Thank you very much. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Chief, thinking will not get us out of this situation. Let us think of a way of making forward. Let us make progress. Don't be like this. I beg you, my husband. Biko.
Chai. So this is how Onyudo will become a poor man.
God forbid. I reject it. We will not be poor. But you're supposed to call some people. Didn't you call anyone? What did they say?
I have 3 days to pay 10 million naira.
10 million what?
Yes. My containers will be frozen for life.
Chief, 10 million naira is a huge amount of money. Where are we going to get that kind of money from?
Where will I get it right now? I called Sylvester. He told me that a bank has ceased giving out loan to people.
What? What is going on? Why would banks stop giving out loans to their customers?
He said it is CBN governor's directive.
What is going on? Why let this happen to us? Why do you want validation from us? Chief, please. I don't want my children to drop out of school. Especially on the children that's about to graduate. That would be awful.
I will not allow that to happen. I have one option.
Which is?
I will call Kenneth.
Kenneth? I thought he said his club has been inviting you to join them. Are you willing to take that risk?
Of course, no. I will only take a loan from them. Once my goods are out, my containers, I will pay them immediately.
Chief, if you ask me, those people are evil. Are you willing to take the chance? No.
I have just one option. I know if I call Kenneth, he will send the money to me immediately.
Ken, Chief, please. This is the only option I have.
Chief, you know how our club operates. They have been sending invitation and you don't want to come. You see, men in our club get every what it takes to bring out your goods tomorrow. We have connections.
Anyway, Ken, I am sorry I can't join your club. I know what it takes to join your club. But all I needed is just a loan. You are my best friend. I want you to do this for me. If you don't do this, it means I should be going back to the village.
Chief, you know, I can do that for you. But you know the risk of borrowing money from our club. If you don't pay back, it's like that. Unless you will join us. We have been sending you an invitation. You don't want to come. You see, men in our club has what it takes to bring out your goods tomorrow. We have connections.
Ken, all I want is the loan. I love my children. I love my wife. And I don't want to lose any of them. Yeah.
So be it. Wait for me in your house tomorrow. I'll be there.
Really?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Thank you. You are a friend indeed.
Yes, tomorrow I'll be there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, let me take you.
The greedy heart will never know. All that glitters is not gold. Precious things, you take them for granted. 'Cause the grass is always greener on the other side. Oh, you don't know what you got till it's gone.
No, sir. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. At the go shop.
Is there any goods in that shop?
Oga, I know there are no goals, but at least let me just go there and open it. Eh? Even if there are no goals, I can still sell from other people's shop and still make small money.
Odera,
sir,
go inside and sleep. I don't want you to go there and stress yourself, okay?
I know, but I'm tired of sleeping and staying at home. Let me just go there and hustle. But if you still insist I should stay at home, I'll go inside.
Please go and sleep.
Okay, sir.
Oh.
Chief.
Chief Ken.
I'm here.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please sit down. Sit down.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yeah. I took a risk. Make sure you bring back this money. I don't want to die. And I know you may not like to lose your children.
Of course no. I wouldn't want to lose any of my children. I will pay you back the money so you can give it back to them.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless you. Odira, get a glass so we can take some drinks, okay?
No. I'm running for a meeting. I don't want anybody to hear about this money. Because if they do, I may be mess.
It's all right.
Have a good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. Odira, please come. Odira.
Sir?
God has heard our prayers.
Ah.
I want you to go in, get a paper and a pen. Let me give you the account of the agent so you go and pay in. We have the money.
Yes. Okay.
Please, be fast about it.
Okay, sir.
I can't wait to pay this money. Yes, I wouldn't want to join that club in order not to sacrifice my children and my wife. Thank you, Lord. Thank you very much. Hello? Charles, how are you? I paid them the money this morning. Yes, my boy did. You've not seen the alert? Oh, maybe it could be network. Hold on, I will get back to you, okay?
What did he say?
He said he has not seen the alert. Call Odira for me.
Odira is not back yet.
What? What do you mean?
No, he's not back. He's not in his room and his food in the kitchen is untouched. Odira is not back.
I give you money to pay into my agent's account since morning. And the agent is complaining. He has not seen the alert. So what is happening?
Calm down, there's no problem yet. Is it today we started giving him money to go and pay into the account for us? Maybe network, banking system. So calm down.
It's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
What happened? Why are you looking like this? Are you sick? Eh? Are you sick? What happened? What is it?
Who have I offended? What have I done wrong?
What is it? Did you see Odira?
Nedima, it is now confirmed that Odira ran away with my money.
What?
I am finished.
I will not dead.
Oh. Oh.
Calm down.
Oh.
Just calm down.
Oh. Oh. Odera ran away.
It's okay.
With my money.
It's okay.
Someone told me he saw him at the airport.
Just calm down.
I am finished.
It's okay.
So, Mr. Edo, you are begging me and you are not expecting me to use my children to go and pay. Listen. If you don't give me my money today, I'll make sure you rot in jail.
Okay, it has not gotten to this, please.
It has gotten to that.
Give me 2 weeks. I will pay.
If you don't give me my money today, I will make sure you sleep in cell.
Oh, Ken, please. It has not gotten to this,
Okay.
please.
I will make sure you sleep in cell.
Oh, Ken, please. For old time's sake, please. Give me 2 weeks. Please, give me 2 weeks.
Hello?
Ken, don't do this.
Hello, GPO. Please, I need 2 of your men. Please.
Ned, we are in total trouble.
What happened?
If not for the love I have for you and the kids, I would have done what they want me to do. As it is, we are bankrupt.
What?
By tomorrow, I should be able to pay off the maid. And we'll be heading to the village.
Does that mean Onoche will not graduate again? So no money anywhere, everything gone. No hope.
I will do everything within my reach to make sure Onoche graduates. But I feel for Ebere and Anyanwu. Nedima, I am afraid if these court people won't kill me.
No, they won't kill you. They won't kill you ever alone. It's a debt. Why are they alone? Like, just be alive and you'll be able to pay them back. But does that mean we've lost everything? This house?
You won't understand.
So no hope anywhere, nothing can be done to salvage the situation. Lost everything. We're going back to the village. Dera, what did I ever do to you? Why will you return me? Why will you do this? Pay all the good I did to you with evil. Do not be well with you. Do not be well with you. What did we do to you?
I have been from one sickness to the other. All these years, my family will live in abject poverty just because of you. Poverty just because of you.
Papa, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Baba. I don't know. Please, sir. The only thing I will change this to beg and apologize. Please forgive me. Forgive me, sir. I'm still your son. It was the work of the devil. Please.
Odera, you did not bother to take little. You took the whole money. You know that money is not mine. And you made my family to suffer. Is it right?
Oh God, please, no. God, no. I have always been your most trusted boy.
It's that my stupid friend that was just talking rubbish. Oga Sam's boy was telling me his madam that was eating Oga's money. And look at now, God does not have any goods in his shop, began everything. That this 10 million naira, madam will still eat it. See, Oga is becoming darker and the madam is becoming fairer. So I just told him, no, don't tell me that, don't tell, but work of the devil and everything. But sir, please, that boy, I'm still blaming that boy till tomorrow. Thank God that at least I've made the money and I'm paying back now. Please, sir, I want to pay back the money. Madam, please now. Mama.
Shut up. Shut your mouth. Beg who? Me. Okay, I was getting fairer. He was getting darker. I was damn the witch that was eating him. You that took the money, what happens to you? Do you know you're a fool? You're a fool. You're a big fool. A bunghorn. That is what you are. I should help you beg him. Do you know what you made us go through? Do you know what you put me and my children through? My children and I were frustrated in this village. Even when we were living in the city. They were thrown out of school. They dropped out of school all because of you. What did we ever do to you? Nobody in this village that doesn't know you. They all think you're my son because of the way I treated you. I took you like my own blood. How do you pay us back? Is apologies enough? Is it enough to pay for what you made us go through? We are living in poverty all because of your wickedness. And you God for punish you, you idiot. Atarangi. Get away! Just go home.
Thank you. Leave my
Just go. He said, leave! Leave!
God, please now. God, please. Madam.
Don't worry. Go home. He will forgive you. Papa will forgive you. Where Diego? You have some money. Papa will forgive you, don't worry. See what you do, please. Do you have anyone there? You give me.
I have some money inside.
See, go home. 10 million, that 10 million. Bring it.
The lack of money is the source of many pains.
Oh, greetings.
Welcome, sir.
Please, I'm looking for Jane. Is this where she stays?
Okay, yes. That's her room. But I don't think she's around. She went out with her friend.
No problem. I can sit outside and wait for them.
I don't think she came back here last night with the friends. Maybe you can just call her on phone.
I've been calling them. They are not picking their calls. I've been calling since. Okay, let me go and wait for them when they come back.
Oga, she doesn't come home weekend. So, maybe you won't carry her this weekend.
Carry her?
Carry her.
Is she a prostitute? Jesus!
You don't know.
She won't be that angry now. Why would he send you away?
I don't know. I'm so unhappy right now, so mad, so debilitated, so confused. Yes, no, I did him wrong. But at the same time, I'm back to amend things. To pay back the money I took from him, to even double it. Really? But I don't know why the man is still frustrating me.
Wow, you mean double it?
Yes. Huh? I'm even ready to buy him a house. Pay more money, but just for him to accept me and forgive me.
He will forgive you. Just give him time. He's just angry with you. You know what you do? When next you want to see him, go with your father, but just let him calm down first.
Alright, no problem. I will do just that. But so coming back to you, how have you been? Look at you, look at everywhere, look at how big.
Oh no!
What has been touching you?
What? Please don't give me shit. Nobody's been touching me.
Are you sure? Somebody has been touching you. Look at everything.
No, it's God, Joe. It's God.
God has been touching you?
No, I did not say God has been touching me. Please, oh.
It's alright.
I'm so happy for you. Look at you. Fine shoe, fine car. So happy for you.
Oh, fine car. No. This is the list of my cars.
Wow.
I decided to come with this small car because I don't want the villagers to put their eyes on me. Yeah. By the time I'm done settling with my Oga, now go back to the city, coming back with a machine.
Oh my God.
Don't worry. Let me finish with them. By the time I've settled with them, I'll come back for you.
Come back for me?
Yes.
Did I do anything?
No, what I mean is, yeah, I'll come back for you. Like, I'll come give you some good treats.
Oh,
make life more beautiful and rosy for you. Don't worry. Let me put some smile on your face. Alright. Just manage this. That's yours.
All this for chocolate?
For chocolate and biscuits.
Serious? Oh my God, thank you so much. No, for this you deserve a hug.
For real?
Yes.
Hold it right there. What is going on here? Eh?
Nothing.
What? I thought you have gone home. You are still here.
No, I just decided to stop over to see this beautiful angel. I can see how beautiful she is.
Beautiful angel.
So what's up? Have you been able to convince your father?
I've not been able to convince my father. So, am I your lawyer? I should be at home convincing my father. While you are here convincing my woman. Eh?
What is he talking about?
Ego. I see. So this is it. Let me tell you, don't even try it. Don't even try it, because if you try it, heads will grow. Do you understand that? So this is what you are doing. Okay, let me tell you, if I were you, yeah? I will just go home and think of how to bring out yourself from the problem you are already into before you want to enter into another one. That is what you're supposed to do first. You cannot just come here with white car. Come here to deceive my girlfriend because you have seen a fair girl with white skirt. Your hair, you are now losing your hair because you like white things. I will bring white goat for you and white fowl. Since you like white things, don't try me. As for you, try me. You will see. If you I will not tell you what to do. You know me. Macho. No, if you like, if I leave, try to hug. Don't even try to touch. Because my eyes are on you. Then you will see.
Who's this miscreant? Huh?
You see, miscreant. You want to change her name to miscreant. No problem. Her name is Miss Ego. Don't try to use English now to brainwash her. If you like, stay there. Let me be calling you nonsense name. Miscreant. And you are smiling. Because you are wearing white skirt and blue top. Yellow top and black jeans. It will not work. I will set both of you a place. Try me. It will not happen. No. Never!
What's going on?
I'm sorry, it's just some village guy that you've been studying my life. Please sit down. It's just some guy that you've been bothering me.
Osika, Osika, ukubanye nego, ifunanya na, imanu biamajoka, onyo bunana chok, kaye tinye nono, tinye na pa, ijego, Osika, ijego, Osika, Osika.
How are you? Jane. So when am I coming to pick you girls?
When we are done with what you're doing, then you can come.
Oh.
Take care of yourself. Oh.
No problem.
Would you go and show Chief that you are happy?
Jane, tell her.
Give me some hug and a hug or something. Go.
Tell her to allow me change her life.
Oh, Chief, come on.
I'm here to change your life. Give me a good hug. That's my girl.
Chief.
Yeah.
Hot Chief. Now, what's this?
Ajulu!
Hey! Onochi!
What is the meaning of this?
It was just a hug. He's Jane's friend though. He's not my friend. What are you doing here?
And who is he?
I am her husband. And who are you? Jane. So this is what you do. You brought my wife to the city to come and indulge in prostitution with you. Jane,
And you, Iwekwe. Where's Olonyoku?
Oh no, we have seen everything. Oh no.
Ajolo, please.
Calm down now. I didn't like the fact that you saw me holding.
Is it not just a hug? What is there?
I'm a married woman.
Ma what? Maria. Chief is here to take care of you.
Oh, you don't understand what I'm facing now.
Ajolo, don't be worried, okay? I am equal to the task.
Chief, I didn't like the fact that my husband caught me hugging you. I didn't like it.
Ajolo, don't let that bother you, okay? Alright, I'm here for you.
I just want to be left alone. Oh, I wanted to go and you said I should go and hug him. Now what you have seen me.
You calm down now. Chief,
Yeah, Jerry.
you have to give us some time, okay?
No problem.
I'll call you. I'll call you.
Alright, Jerry.
Okay.
Take good care of yourself.
Alright,
okay?
Ajolo, okay.
Precious things, you take them for granted, 'cause the grass is always greener on the other side. Oh.
Since he has come back to beg.
Ibe, don't tell me that. I will curse that boy. I can see that the curse I laid on him did not work.
Papa, if that curse did not work, go and rehearse again. Go and regroup again. Curse him more. Eh? Because if you don't curse him, I will curse him myself. I will curse him myself. That boy had the mind to go close to my ego. To the extent of giving her money. What is he looking for? He wants to take ego from me. So come on, eh? Hey, if people should want him, I will do something funny. It's obvious that boy has not repented at all.
Chichi, because that boy needs to be taught a lesson.
Go.
A hard lesson.
Nedima, please, don't let us go back to the old way. You and I know very well that the family need money now more than ever before.
Yes.
Eh? Because of his health.
If my husband dies, if Onido dies, I'm going to tell that boy, show him the other side of me.
I am going to make sure he pays me all the money he made from my money he stole. Ibe, I am happy to be alive now that Odera has come. You must pay me my money.
People should want him. People should want him. Ichie. Since you are begging on his behalf now, better go and tell him to stay clear from my woman. Because my woman is more important to me than that money. If he doesn't want to give Papa money, no problem. But he should leave my girl alone. Else.
Are you serious? That boy is finally back.
Yes, Papa. He has big money now. Imagine he gave me 100,000 just to buy drink.
100,000?
Just for drink.
That's good for Nico's family.
Not really.
That means they will not be struggling to pay for Chief's medical bills.
No, they refused to listen to his plea. They even sent him out from their house.
What? Onido did that?
He said they were not going to forgive him. To do for them.
Even when they are suffering. Wow. And so, what did Onochie and Anyanwu say then?
Onochie was not around. What can Anyanwu say? His own is to rush down here. He saw me hugging Odira after giving him money and he started ranting.
That boy is always funny. Very funny.
See, let him rant. Let him rant, who cares? So, you should not hug Odira again for giving you money. Are you his wife? That guy, keep on wearing warning.
Mama! Mama, oh! Mama! Hey!
What is it?
Alo Emeko, Mama.
What is it? What happened to my daughter?
Nothing happened to her, man. Alo me.
I am just coming from the city. Do you know what Ajulo and Jane, what they do in the city as work? They sell their bodies. Akuna kafana aba. Jane na Ajulo ba akuna kafana aba na city. I went there to see for myself. I can endure anything, any offense from my wife, but if infidelity, I will not take it. This marriage is over.
Oh no, Chia. Did I hear you well?
I saw her kissing and hugging a man. I saw her with my eyes. I am going to Jane's mother's house to go and tell her what her daughter does. Anusigom!
Ajulo.
Onochie, I don't understand this. I mean, what's the meaning of this now, Juan? Okay, huh? You're blocking my way. For what, Juan? Here. Please, allow me to go inside.
Where are you coming from?
I told you I wanted to go to the city to see my friend. I'm coming from the city.
You're coming from the city?
Mm.
And you're coming back now? Dressed like this? Someone's wife?
Hey, I don't understand. I told you already that the man you saw me with was just a friend of mine. I don't have anything to do with him at all. Chachakwa. Allow me to go inside.
Okay. I've had enough. Okay? Anyways, this marriage is over.
It's a good one.
Go back to your mother's house. I've packed your things. I'll return them to your mother's house.
You must be joking.
You think I'm joking? Okay.
You don't want the marriage again? No problem. You think I'll beg you? I will not, oh. I will not. If you don't want to marry again, no problem. Allow me to go inside and carry my things.